Well, hello there. I'm back with another lipstick review. I want to try my very first pink lipstick. And this is more of a matted pink lipstick. It's called CoverGirl Outlast Ultimate. And the color itself is Strawberry Spritzer. I've never worn a pink lipstick before. And I wanted to give it a shot because I feel like taking risks is really fun, and this may not work out for me. This may be awful. This may look very terrible on me, but I like the idea to see how it's going to look like. So, first let me show off my eyes because I wanted to show them improving on doing my wings on the side. I may have to do a wing video one day for some people who don't know how to do it, because it took me a while to get better at it, and I feel like people at my level of being new could benefit from someone, figuring out how to do it finally in an easier way. But if I could get this open, I'm trying to get it open. Okay, let's take a look at it. This is very pink. This may look awful. This is probably the most boldest color I've ever tried, so. Noise in the background is my cat. Actually, I like how this looks. Excuse me. Oops. All right, buddy. Look, Daddy's busy right now. Let me finish this video, and then I'll come spend time with you, okay? Oh, that one snuck in. Sneaky, sneaky. All right. Look how fast you ran in here. I'm making a lipstick video. We'll spend time with you later, okay? All right, you gotta go. Terribly sorry about that. You can't actually be goth and have cats. You're just gonna have fur everywhere on you. All right, back to it. I like how it looks. But I feel like this is probably not for me. But I was curious. So I figured, why not? It may look better on someone else, but not exactly working for me well. Oh, wow. It's starting to come around a little. It's kind of cute. This is kind of out of my range a little, but I don't mind it. I feel like if I lined it up a little with some liner, it'll look really good. Maybe I might do that another day. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think this works for me? I'm not exactly sure. Okay, so I tried it on. I really don't like this. I was very excited about it, and I really wanted to work. I wanted to surprise myself and have a different look that I never expected, but it didn't work out. But this video is now changing from a lipstick try-on to a tutorial on how to line your lips. So let's see what happens if I line this. I'm just using one of my eyeliners that I don't usually use to line it. I was going around the outside of it, matching the natural shape of my lips. It's a lot harder than I expected. I'm trying not to go off to the side more often, but I may have to. As you can see, I'm lining around it. Just giving it more of a look, more definition. I made a couple of mistakes, but that's fine. All right, let's mix it together. Does that save it? No, it doesn't. I just don't look good in this. I'm on my way, babe. Looks a little better, but this doesn't quite work for me the way I want. Let me add a little bit more in the middle. Cover up some mistakes. Yeah, it doesn't work for me. That's unfortunate. You know, sometimes you try new things and it doesn't work out, and that's fine, but think about discovering how your style is. You have to play around sometimes, figure out what does work, what doesn't. The things that don't work, you just try it again later on, and or you try and make modifications to it and stuff. The things that do work, you just add on things you've already done that works. And yeah, unfortunately, I was hoping I could save this and line it, make it look a little better, but it's just too, Pepto-Bismol. So I can't really make it work, so unfortunately. But I tried. I tried lining it again, and it looks better this time. I used a darker, deeper black liner. And I do like how it stands out now. Yeah, I give it a little bit more of a shape, but it still doesn't work for me. But it's nice still trying it. It's nice knowing I can fix it up a little if I ever need to. Okay, I need to get to my cat because he's losing his mind. I've already fed him. He just wants attention, so I have to give him attention. Yeah, it's okay. See you later.